Welcome back to the joke of the day with Global Speaking English with Rose. Here's a line worth bringing to the office. Now remember, fluency isn't just vocabulary, it's knowing when to make people laugh as well. And here's one for your next coffee break. Let's dig in. Why did the employer bring a ladder to work? Because he heard the company was going places. Funny, right? But when do we use this? It's perfect for when someone announces a promotion, a big client win, or a company milestone. Light, quick, and easy for everyone to catch. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite office line? Like, share, comment, and catch you in the next one.